Hello everybody and welcome to Royal Fish Aquatics. Well, today you can see I'm driving. I'm on a journey. I'm heading out to the farm. I actually got to go do some work out there and go grab fish and bring them back to the garage, the warehouse, and get everything situated. So guys, if you're new to this channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell, that like button is very much appreciated. So right now, I'm just taking a drive. It's gonna be a little bit of a drive. On video is gonna be pretty quick, but right now it's gonna be a little bit of a drive till I get over there and start doing stuff. So I'm just gonna cut it right here and I'll meet you guys at the farm. I hope you guys enjoy this video today. Hello everybody. Well, we made it out here to the farm and I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of the farm. But before we do that, please don't forget to leave a comment and hit that like button. And if people start liking these type of videos, want to know more about the inside of my business as a wholesaler and selling online, hey, I'll do some more videos. So let me take you around the farm real quick, and I'm pretty much gonna record the whole day out here, little things that I'm doing in the farm, grabbing fish, getting things set up, and taking fish back to the warehouse and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's take a quick little tour of the whole facility. So guys, right over here are some of the ponds, in-ground ponds. In this location, there's actually 12 ponds. And let me take you close for you guys to see. See, in here you can see all of those goldfish. Look at all the goldfish. Now all the way in the back, that building back there, we actually have four more ponds. They're smaller, they're above ground ponds. And that's building back there, the same thing. There's another 4 more above the ground ponds. And this is where a lot of the fish get grown out at. Take another look at these guys in here. These guys are a little bit bigger. Take some more. I want to show you another one. Look. There's a lot more than what you see. These guys are just going up here. Some air. There's actually guppies and goldfish in here growing out. They stay covered up. There's some more in here. So let's go check out the other side real quick. So these are more of the ponds. These are above ground ponds. See, there's 5 on this side of the road and 5 behind. Same thing, a lot of this stuff is just fish growing out. A lot of them gonna be hard to see, but we'll see them. we'll see some fish, especially when I start pulling fish out. This is our traps that we throw inside the ponds, and the fish actually come in from the hole right here and this one on the other side, and then they can't get out, and it makes it easier for us to grab fish from the ponds. It all depends on what we have in there, what kind of temperature we got to keep the pond. That's why some of them have the plastic lining, some of them don't. In this one we have black water. We got a lot of mollies in here, and guppies, and some water lettuce. A lot of water lettuce back there, which is really good for the fish because it keeps your water quality doing really good. So now there's some more tanks back here, or ponds. They're above ground. There's another about 20 more tanks or ponds back here. We have to watch out for the mud because of the storm. This one's with green water, and you can see all the snail eggs on the side. A lot of snails hatching. So this is this side, and I'm gonna take you to this other grow out pond. This has been a newer addition, one of the newest things we have done. And the reason why it has the lining so high is to make sure animals don't come in here, because in this pond and the one back there, what we're doing is actually growing out kois. So there's about 2,000 to 3,000 kois that we have put in here, and we're gonna grow them out for over a year. We'll leave them here to get them to a nice size to be able to have larger kois for sale. That black line you see across is an airline to keep the water aerated. We're gonna go all the way to the back, to that back building back there. We actually have more ponds inside there, more above the ground ponds, but they are a lot smaller than you see these bigger ones right here. So back here, we have 6 smaller ponds. See, there's 6 smaller ponds in here where we're growing out stuff. And there's one specific one back here I would like to show you guys. And I could tell Unc changed some stuff around because there's no more water lettuce back there. We turned this one into brown water. We're gonna grow out more koi in here and goldfish. They do good outside in what we call winters down here. Let's see what he has in here. We have a lot of swordtails down there. They're doing very good. Take a look over here. I saw a few guppies run. But with the tanks being covered like this with the amount of water lettuce, doesn't do anything to the fish, but just gives them a great environment for them to hide. The roots go all the way down. I mean, look at the roots on some of these water lettuce, some of the bigger ones. Let me grab a big one. Look at the root structures and all the babies they have. Look at that. That's some healthy water lettuce there. And look at all the swordtails just showing up. So I'm going to take you to now to two of the other buildings that we have. One is where we do a lot of the kois and goldfish, and the other one is where we keep our fish at when we actually pull them out. So let's go take a walk over there. Guys, this is the Goldfish and Koi Room. This is where a lot of the magic happens for them. If I can get the door open, there it goes. So, we got kois growing in here. These will grow out as future breeders. That's where we hatch our eggs for the goldfish and kois in here. We actually give them Spanish moss. There goes some more goldfish. Every morning we check the Spanish moss. If they have eggs, we put them in there. If not, we just hang it here to dry and we put it back in overnight. Look at some of these breeders right here. More goldfish. More goldfish. Look at the big old goldfish. Look at these big old kois. So this is another one of our houses. This is actually where the fish get pulled out, treated, and they get ready to go out if they are 100% healthy from here. This is where we could actually watch the fish. So several tanks over here. Gouramis, some goldfish, some swordtails, guppies, all that good stuff. And then there's a whole bunch of concrete tanks everywhere. And like this, look. Have you seen this many red velvet swordtails in one place? That's what happens when you drain a pond and you pull out thousands of fish at once. Guppies in those tanks and goldfish. Look, it's a lot more swordtails here. More goldfish, more swordtails. We got some baby green severums. It's about 200 of them in there. This tank just got ready. We got a few grammies and kois in here. Some more goldfish, some more kois. Filamentosa barbs and kissing grammies. Some of these tanks are getting redone. We actually putting the tile in it, so it makes it easier to grab fish. Common plecos. Tons of mixed guppies. More goldfish, different sizes. We got some, these look like more severums. Yep, we got more severums in here. More grammies. Goldfish, guppies. Look at all these grammies, guys. Look at all these grammies. And here we got regular kois. How nice they looking. In a big old ball of butterfly kois. So guys, I wanted to show you this other building. This is what we call the breeding room. And this is where we breed a lot of our fish. So in here, we let the angels do their thing. Look at all these angels in here. You see? Babies. Some smaller angels down here. Some other ones here. There's koi, some platinum. Some marbles. Kissing grammies in here. A lot of our betas that we are growing out, getting ready for breeding. Look, the green severums. One pair of the green severums. Got another pair over here, green severums. Look at this beautiful angel. Some grammies in here. Some baby green severums. A lot of tanks, a lot of fish, a lot of work. Over here you can see where we breed in grammies. Some more grammies getting ready to breed. And we do the betas the same way. We got some more. This is our next ones. We're gonna be breeding some Dumbo ears. So we're just getting them growing out and starting to look nice. So guys, I wanted to show you this real quick. These are the mixed guppies. There is apple snails in here and some swordtails. But what I do, I give me a bucket with the same water on the side, and I start grabbing them with the net, and I start grabbing all the ones I want to take to the warehouse. I do have my own mixed guppies at home, but I do like to bring a different variety too. So we use the big net. All you do is go in there and just scoop them up. You know, Lay it like this in the water and start grabbing all your males and females at whatever ratio you want. Throw them in the bucket. So I'm gonna get going on that and I'll show you all the ones I have grabbed shortly. So guys, this is what I did. This is 100 pairs. I got 100 female guppies in here. And there's 100 male guppies in here. We'll get them bagged up with oxygen and ready to be going to the warehouse. So let's see what else are we gonna grab today. Guys, we'll put one of the traps in this to start catching some barbs. We got Uncle Carlos. We just stick them inside the ponds, and then we're gonna throw some food in there, and in a little bit of time this will be full of fish for us to pick from. So guys, we're gonna check the trap out, and this is how it works. You just lift it up and look at all of them. And we're actually gonna grab those gold barbs. We have some guppies in here, there's some swordtails, things, but I need the gold barbs. So I'm gonna start grabbing gold barbs now. You see they come in through there, but they can't get out. There's one on each side, they go for the food. And then it makes it easier for us to grab fish out of the pond without having to drain the entire pond. So let me start grabbing gold barbs and getting them ready to go to the warehouse. This is what we're taking today. Give you guys a little look at it. You know, gold barbs. We got some apple snails in here. Some calico goldfish. Some grammies. Look at these. These are all black swordtails. Look at the black swordtails. We got more swordtails over here. Some goldfish. Some telescopes. Got all the guppies. Well, I am leaving the farm. Been out here all day. Like literally all day. Got rained on, but we was able to get a lot of stuff done, and I was able to grab plenty of fish to take back to post on the website and actually take to the stores. So don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, please share it so I can start making a lot more of these videos. And like always, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all have a blessed day.